Playing piano. She practices playing the piano every day. Photography. Photography allows her to capture beautiful moments. Knitting. Knitting scarves is a cozy hobby for the winter. Birdhouse making. Making birdhouses is a fun project for him. Playing guitar. Playing guitar is his way of unwinding after work. Traveling. Traveling introduces him to new cultures and places. Cricket. Playing cricket is a great way to stay active. Caving. Caving is an adventurous way to explore underground. Kayaking. Kayaking on the river is an exciting outdoor activity. Skiing. Skiing down the slopes is a thrilling winter activity. Reading. I love reading books before bed. Scuba diving. Scuba diving reveals the beauty of underwater life. Drawing. He spends hours drawing pictures with his pencils. Writing. She enjoys writing stories in her notebook. Gardening. They have a small garden where they grow tomatoes. Painting. Painting helps her relax and be creative. Cycling. Cycling around the park is a great way to exercise. Cooking. Cooking new recipes is his favorite pastime. Hiking. They love hiking in the mountains on weekends. Swimming. Swimming at the pool is very refreshing. Camping. Camping in the woods is an adventure for the whole family. Fishing. Fishing at the lake is peaceful and relaxing. Sewing. She sews her own clothes as a creative outlet. Dancing. Dancing is a joyful way to express herself. Playing chess. Playing chess helps keep his mind sharp. Pottery. Pottery lets him make his own unique dishes. Yoga. Yoga helps her stay flexible and calm. Writing poetry. Writing poetry helps her express her feelings. Surfing. Surfing at the beach is exhilarating. Astronomy. Observing stars is an exciting hobby for her. Stargazing. Stargazing is a relaxing way to enjoy the night sky. Rock climbing. Rock climbing challenges him physically and mentally. Biking. Biking through the countryside is refreshing. Bird watching. Bird watching allows him to enjoy nature. Snowboarding. Snowboarding is exciting and challenging on the slopes. Golf. Golfing on weekends is his favorite way to unwind. Home gardening. Home gardening lets him grow his own vegetables and herbs. Beekeeping. Beekeeping helps her produce honey and support local ecology. Baking. Baking cookies is a fun activity for the weekend. Running. Running every morning keeps him fit and healthy. Meditation. Meditation is a peaceful practice that helps him focus. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.